This MACD strategy I'm about to show you is one of the highest win rate strategies you can possibly do in trading. It is very easy to use, works in almost every single market, and most importantly, it makes money. Well, enough talk, let's get straight into it.
Have I finally done it? Have I finally found the holy grail in trading strategies? Or is this another BS video clickbaiting those not yet experienced enough to know that trading influencers don't always have your best interests in mind? Let's start at the beginning.
Is one of the highest win rate strategies you can possibly do in trading. It is very easy to use, works in almost every single market, and most importantly, it makes money.
So obviously, if this strategy accomplishes everything the video claims, then this is a very priceless strategy, and it makes you wonder why he's not keeping it for himself. Regardless, I intend to get to the bottom of this, and I will come out with a logical explanation. I started the next step in my investigation, which was coding a trading bot. By using a bot to test the strategy, I remove all chance of human error. So I spent many hours writing and rewriting code until finally, I had a fully functioning bot. And all that's left is to test it before I start using the strategy to trade my hard-earned money. Before I show you all of the bot's test results, I want you to understand two things. 1. My intentions in this video, and even the bot I coded, are designed to help show you that not all trading influencers are telling the truth. And 2. I coded my bot in complete congruence with this very popular trading strategy video with millions of views. The bot follows the exact strategy explained in this video. So without further ado, let's get to the results. As you can see, the results kinda suck. I tested this with Ethereum and Bitcoin on multiple time frames, and overall I do not suggest this strategy. I know this has been a short, to the point video, so if you want me to go more in depth on my testings or results, let me know. Comment the next strategy or influencer I should put to the test next. See ya.